In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leverage Excel with Copilot to transform your data into insightful visuals. This journey will help you present your information effectively, and I promise it's easier than you might think. Let's start by opening Excel with Copilot enabled. If this is your first time using Copilot, you're in for a treat. This feature acts like a helpful assistant, guiding you through the process of turning plain data into eye-catching charts and graphs. Once you've got Excel up and running, ensure that Copilot is activated. Copilot serves to enhance your workflow by suggesting actions and offering assistance tailored to your needs. Now let's move on to your dataset. Whether you've received a fresh dataset in an email or it's something you've been working on, you need to upload or select it within Excel. You can either import an external file or choose one from your existing projects. Make sure that the data is well organized with clearly labeled columns and rows. This will make it easier for both you and Copilot to handle. Remember, clean data is crucial for accurate visual representation. With your dataset in place, it's time to tap into Copilot's capabilities. One of its key features is the ability to effortlessly create charts or graphs. Simply ask Copilot to perform this task for you. You can request a specific type of chart, such as a bar graph, line chart, or pie chart, depending on what best suits your data's narrative. Copilot will then suggest and generate these visuals, saving you the hassle of navigating through menus and options manually. Once Copilot generates your visuals, it's vital to customize them to fit your specific needs and preferences. This is where you can truly make the data yours. Adjust the colors, labels, and titles to match your presentation style or corporate branding. You might want to tweak the axis, change font sizes, or alter the background color. Little adjustments can make a big difference in making your data visually appealing and easy to understand for your audience. Lastly, let's discuss saving and sharing your data-driven reports. After you're satisfied with your visuals, save your work to ensure it's well documented. You can choose to save it locally on your computer or share it on a cloud service for easy access. Sharing these reports with colleagues or stakeholders is simple, whether by exporting the file as a PDF or an Excel file directly. Clear communication of your findings through these reports can drive better decision-making and strategy planning. And there you have it. With Copilot in Excel, creating, customizing, and sharing beautiful data visuals has never been more straightforward. Taking these steps will not only refine your data handling skills, but will also enhance how you communicate complex information succinctly. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you feel more confident in using Excel to elevate your data presentation.